Something green, something cordless. When we get back. I'm Tim Johnson, this is Shop Tour Reviews. This is the Ryobi 18-volt cordless vacuum. Now this is not just any cordless vacuum, it actually runs on the One Plus platform, so Ryobi has more than 100 tools that run off that platform, and quite frankly there's a really good chance you may have one of them. So those same batteries that you use in that, for 99 bucks you can get this 6-gallon vacuum, wet dry vac, and use those 18-volt One Plus batteries in this, and it's going to run this just fine. Now also, this actually is kind of self-contained. Number one, it doesn't tip. So you see you've got these swivel casters here. You've got the big wheels here on the side. So it pivots very easy. You can pull this with the hose. You can pull it with the handle, what have you. It doesn't tip over. It's not top heavy. So it actually rolls around the shop really easily. And quite frankly, I've really fallen in love with it because it's so light. You've got handles everywhere. It's only about 15 pounds, so I can pick it up from the top. I can pick it up from the sides. They've even got handles down here, so there's handles everywhere to pick this thing up. And with the hose, you can pull it around wherever it needs to go, and it'll roll over about anything. Very easy to get around. Also, I like the fact that it's self-contained. You see you have your extension tubes here. You see you have your floor sweep here. You've got your crevice tool here. Everything's right here, and the hose tucks away really easily and really nice right here on the top. And then you just take it out, you plug it in the end here, turn the switch on. This is kind of a no-frills vacuum. 80 CFM. So it's actually pulling more vacuum than our friends over at Pro Tool Reviews just did a buying guide on corded shop vacs. Corded shop vacs, and some of them didn't even pull 80 CFM. So the fact that this is running off 18 volts, pulling 80 CFM. Also, the exhaust here actually disperses it around here so you don't have, you know, one big unit that's just blowing out an exhaust fan. It's actually dispersing that quite evenly so it's not blowing dust around your shop. Very easy to just flip the latches here, clean this thing out, dump it out. Simple canister filter in there, so it's going to work again whether you're sucking up water, whether you're sucking up dust, what have you. Is it a dust extractor? No. Is it Table 1 compliant? No. It's a $99 cordless vac. Check it out from the Home Depot. Again, 99 bucks. 3-year warranty on this, so Ryobi's going to guarantee this for 3 years for it to not mess up. Really nice. I'm telling you, I really like this vacuum, especially for 99 bucks. It's hard to beat. So make sure you check that out at Home Depot. Also, please subscribe to YouTube. Keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and have a great day.